Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Infinity Text. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert one image into a PDF file. Here you can see this is my image and I need to convert this image into a PDF file. So how I can do this? So for this, first of all, I need to go to my Google Chrome. This is my Google Chrome. Simply, I need to type I love PDF. This is the website we are going to use. This is the links. Firstly, you need to click on this link and then scroll down there is an option JPG to PDF. Just click on this and then select JPG. This is my image. I need to convert this. Just open this image and here we need to convert and just wait for something. Here you can download the PDF file. I'm going to save this and here you can see the output. This is my image and I convert this into a PDF file. So by using this simple step, you can easily convert your image to a PDF file. To get more informative videos like this, just follow my channel Infinity Tech. Bye.